Hi, welcome to Easley Winery. I'm Meredith Easley, and I'd love to show you how we make wine here in downtown Indianapolis. At harvest time, after we've picked the grapes from the vineyard and brought them up to the winery, we go ahead and dump them into this giant hopper right above my head. The grapes get dumped into the hopper where they're destemmed and crushed, where the stems are removed and any other debris that we don't want in wine is also taken away. After it's destemmed and crushed, we bring it down to what I call the Lucy. It's the giant foot for winemaking. It's how we get the juice out of the grapes so we can ferment it into succulent, juicy, beautiful wine. So once Lucy is done doing her job, that beautiful sugar-rich juice is then put into tanks, which is where we add yeast for fermentation. And picture your favorite Pac-Man game. We just add that yeast to that sugar-rich juice, it gobbles it up and converts it to alcohol. Once it's been made into this beautiful wine now, it needs to be filtered. So we want a clear, clean wine, not a cloudy, muddy wine. So that's when we go ahead and filter wine, as well as we allow the wine to settle out, all the sediment to go to the bottom of these great big tanks, and then filter it, and then that's when it's ready to go to be bottled. This is where we go ahead and dump the bottles. They travel on down the bottling line, they get air cleaned, and then filled with wine. The labels get put on, the corks get put in. They get put into a box, and then they get palletized, and they're on their way to you. I'm Meredith Easley, and I want to thank you for joining us on a tour of Easley Winery. We appreciate you being with us.